Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix no sound during calls on your INFINIX Hot 60i. So first, you need to check the volume during a call using the side buttons right here. So if you already checked it and it's okay and you still have no sound, what you guys can do is disable the Bluetooth to rule out any connected devices. So go over to settings. Now go to Bluetooth here. And my Bluetooth is already disabled, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys disabling it. So this way your phone does not connect to a car, for an example, your earbuds, or practically anything else. What you guys can do after that is go over and test another call on the normal phone app. So this app right here, or any other app, for an example, WhatsApp Messenger, Instagram, basically anything that has a call support system. And what you guys can do next is make sure to restart the smartphone. So the way you do that is basically holding the power button for 3 seconds. As you guys can see here, we have the assistant, but now we can click on restart and then we're gonna tap again to restart our phone. So I'll see you guys in a second once it's done. So after the restart, what you guys can do is check for software updates as a last resort. So go over to the settings, now go to my phone, and here go to XOS. Now it will check for updates automatically. As you guys can see, my system is up to date. Let's check again. It will check for update, and as you guys can see, I have the latest version, but if you don't, then I recommend you guys updating it. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.